Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've got my Lush kitchen box today and I'm so thrilled. Let me just tell you right before we get into it, this has nothing to do with being in the kitchen. Okay, let's get into it. I've had a few people mention in the comments like, I thought maybe it was going to be kitchen things. I think it's just because they whip up new things for us like it's in the kitchen, but this is Bath and Body and it is quickly becoming my new favorite box. I love Lush. I have always loved Lush. I did Lush way back in the day. So as we go through this, you can see all the little thingies. As we go through this, I miss so much. And then when I start going through it again, I'm like, oh yeah, I loved that. Like last month, we got the Bathos Bubble Bar and I had forgotten how much I enjoyed that bubble bar. It comes packed in these. They're a different shape this month. They melt in water. That's the beauty is they just, if you just put them in your sink and put water on them, they melt right away, so they're good for the environment. And you can QR on this to find out more about your box when you get it. This comes from the UK. It gets expensive though. It is a 35-pound box and then 14.95 pounds. How do you say that? 14 pounds 95 pence. What I know about UK money I learned from Mary Poppins. What's the tuppence? It might be a sir. Oh, how many tuppence is this? If you're watching me in the UK, please don't think I'm making fun of you. Please let me know how many tuppence this is. Is tuppence even real money? Okay, well, we don't need to go down that Mary Poppins wormhole. I love Mary Poppins. So it comes to $49.95, but that's in pounds. So by the time you convert it to dollars, and then I have it on a charge card, and my charge card, and I don't know if all charge cards do this. They actually charge me $2 for an international, look, we're doing your business fee. I'm not even sure what that is. It ends up being about $69. The first month that I did this box, the products inside, it's like it is kitchen, came to almost exactly $69 in value. I was very happy. Last month, I actually got about $82 in value. And I've had products that I can use except for one because, you know, I can't use licorice or grapefruit. I've had everything that I can use except for one body wash, and I gave it to my husband generously, and he loves it. So it absolutely didn't go to waste. All we get is a little pamphlet that basically just tells us what the ingredients are, which, don't get me wrong, I'm very happy about. Enough talking. Let's get in here and see. So this is the February Lush kitchen box that came over from the UK just for me. I have to dig down in because they don't use additional wrap. Oh, he's broken. That's okay. I break them when I use them anyway. I have a headless man. Looks like a headless gingerbread man. I'm sure it's not. Let's see. How's he go? Oh, look. It's like he was never broken. Ta-da! I mean, this came all the way from the UK with just those peanuts around it. It's a miracle it's not more broken than this. And I have to tell you, I knew that. I mean, when you sign up for a box from the UK that you know they use as minimal packaging as they can because they're trying to save the environment, heads breaking off is going to happen. But like I said, most of these you can use more than once, so I break them up to use them anyway, so I'm not heartbroken. This is a bath bomb, and it's called the X Factor. So is it just me, or is it appropriate that the X, like EX factor, is my little man's head's broken off? Happy Valentine's Day. I'm still madly, deeply deep into more than 30 years of marriage with my husband, so I know nothing of these X factors you speak. It smells fantastic. Actually, it smells really, I wish I remembered enough about the Lush back in the day when I used it all the time. I mean, we're not talking a long time ago. We're just talking, you know, 5-6 years ago. But I have forgotten all of the scents. Like I used to be able to, I could go like, oh, well, that smells like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. This doesn't smell like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. I love Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. It's not Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. It's Honey, I Washed the Kids, right? Take a breath, get your brain together. I think it's Honey, I Washed the Kids. It's my favorite scent ever from Lush. But I used to be able to smell one thing and tell you exactly what else it smelled like. Anyway, this smells lovely, and I would love a bath that smells like it. I won't tell you all the ingredients because that would bore you, but I will tell you that it has perfume in it, and then it also has ylang ylang oil and synthetic musk. I suspect that it's that synthetic musk that's making it smell a little sexy. I like it a lot. Take his little head off while I set him down. Poor guy. Reaching in next, I'm just digging down into the peanuts. Ooh, she's pretty. A pretty heart. It feels just like a bubble bar. It's so pretty. Oh, what's that smell like? It's kind of citrusy. A little floral. I like it. It's a bubble bar melt. And I think the difference between a bubble bar and a bubble bar melt is I think this has something like a shea butter or something fattier in it that's actually good for your skin. It is Heart of Enlightened Expectation. And it has the sodium bicarb and the cream of tartar, you know, all the things to make your bath sudsy and lovely and orange and gorgeous. And then it has Fair Trade Organic Cocoa Butter. But just for your record, they do use sodium lauryl sulfate. It has bergamot oil, geranium oil, jasmine, rose absolute, ylang ylang. Yay, no grapefruit. When I start seeing the citruses, I get a little nervous. I don't smell the rose in this. If by chance you got this, let me know if you smell the rose in it, but I don't. And it's gorgeous. That's what the back looks like. And the front. So you could easily break this in half. Oh yeah, this is super creamy. I break almost everything in half. I use almost everything at least twice. Usually only twice, but at least twice. It smells so good. That's what I love about this. Just opening this box up in my room, when I come up in here, even with the candles going, when I come up in here for the next couple of days, this is exactly what it's gonna smell like. And as all of these wait to be used, I have some of our Ipsy bags. I leave them open and I have set them on shelves in my closet so that when you walk into my closet, it smells like a Lush store and I love it. Digging for something else good. Next out, I have a kitchen exclusive, which they all are. It is the Keepin It Fluffy Shower Gel. Draw the shower curtain and disappear into a sweet, sultry ylang ylang, jasmine, and vanilla haze. I love ylang ylang. It's known to be a calming, you know, it supposedly lowers your heart rate and your blood pressure. And, you know, if you do essential oils, that's some of the things it's known for. I took the lid off to show you and it's just up there and it's pink right away. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that. Yeah, this is going right to the front of the line. That smells so pretty and so floral. I love it. It has jasmine flower infusion, lemongrass infusion, fine sea salt, Pakistani rose absolute, jasmine absolute, lemongrass oil, ylang ylang oil, vanilla absolute. Nothing I can't use. So I don't know that I specifically smell the rose in it, but it has a very floral scent. I like it a lot. Oh, this feels like a melt. Oh, it's kind of, it's gonna be a body scrub. It's a little gritty. So this one is a heart with cherries on it. I should also tell you at this point that when you do this, if you subscribe to this box, which I'll put the link down below, but they don't do affiliates or discounts or anything. You just subscribe and you give them all your money and you're glad you do because it smells so good. But anyway, when you subscribe to this, you will get to vote. Each month you will get for them for the following month, and you get it early in the month because I guess the turnover to make it and then get it out in a timely fashion. You get to vote on products that you want to see in the box. I forget a lot and I mostly want to be surprised. And I always think, is one vote really going to matter? But I should get on and vote. It's part of the experience. This is the Body Scrub Cherry-ish, and it has fine sea salt, Fair Trade Organic Coconut Butter, cold pressed muru butter, sodium bicarb, organic, what does that say? Lilibee butter. They say it's Choré. I don't know what that is. Shea butter, ground cherry stones, dried cherries, vegan, white chocolate. Yes, I would like to rub myself with white chocolate. Almond essential oil, extra virgin coconut oil, and fresh apple pulp, and then other chemical names. It just smells good. I mean, so what you do is you just take this into the shower and you get yourself all nice and warm and wet, and you can just do that. And as you do it, the melty parts melt and they make your skin soft, and the gritty parts grit and they make your skin soft, and then you get out and you're soft. It smells so good. I have to tell you, from a scent perspective, one of the favorite things that we've received so far is the Bucks Fizz. I forgot how much I like that. You put it on, it's kind of like a lotion, but you put it on and rinse real quickly before you get out of the shower, and it smells like the perfect creamsicle. It is amazing. Okay, last but not least, it looks like, yep, we have a perfume. We've been getting one every month. I don't know if that's something they can continue to do. This is only my 3rd month with them, but I would think that they would run out soon. Let's see what perfume we got. The first month we got Sultana. Last month we got Tropical Fruit. I love the Sultana. I love the Sultana from way back. This one is, get out of here. Honey, I watched the kids. I was just telling you. This is probably my favorite scent that Lush does. I used the soap for years. They always sold it in big wheels. And back in the day when they did the day after Christmas sales, it wasn't just like the Christmas products. They would in store put the store on sale 75% off. So I used to buy, I bought a lot of the Honey I Wash the Kids soap. I hope I still love this. Oh, let's see if it dries down. Oh yeah. The initial hit when it sprayed out, I was like, that is not right. But now that it has dried down, I love that. Is it my favorite still? I don't know. I still love it, but I might like the Sultana, at least in the perfume. I might like the Sultana better. It's good, but it's not the exact same sweetness as the soap. It is very good though. And I can't quit smelling it. Yeah, I like it. As it dries down, it has just more of the original Honey I Wash the Kids scent. I will let you know here what the value of my box was. So it ends up costing all in about $69 if you're here in the US. It ends up being about $69. The first month, it was like exactly the value of the box, which I am not unhappy with because I go to Lush and buy products and I buy them when they're not on sale. So I don't mind paying what it's worth because I will use them all. The second month, it was actually $82. So it was like, woohoo, bonus, we got a sale. So I will let you know here how close to that 69 we got. We got the Keep It Fluffy Shower Gel, very floral. The Honey I Wash the Kids, which did I tell you? I didn't tell you. The scent is honey. It's honey and it's sweet. It's like a shortbread cookie, but honey-like. It's very honey, earthy. I like it. We got the Heart of Enlightenment Bubble Bar Melt, the Cherry-ish Body Scrub. This is going amok. Oh, the X Factor. And this is just, oh, I shouldn't say just, because he smells, he might be my favorite scent in this box. He smells amazing. Kind of sexy, musky, but also sweet. He's very nice. I'm tempted to just go downstairs and dump this whole thing in the bath and just turn it blue and also it scents your house. It makes your whole house smell good. So I love these scents. Can you guys tell? I love this box. I wish they would do it in the US so it would be cheaper to ship and we didn't have to do the exchange rate, but for now, I'm gonna keep getting it. This is what we got. Thank you so much for coming by to watch us, guys. I really appreciate it. I will see you again really soon and take care. Bye, guys.